Now let's move forward with the course, and in this video we will see how we can create and design the banner of our Shopify store. So if we view the store, and here we go, here you see the banner. So here we have a background picture and we have a title and then a button. We will see how we can customize this, and we will see how we can find a good image related to our brand for the banner using free methods. So let's go to the store and go to the online store. So here we will click on customize. So in the last video we set up this announcement bar and we have set up this header. So now let's move forward to the banner, and here we will have to click on this image banner to see the settings that are available to edit. So here you will see this right sidebar, and if you are on a smaller screen or maybe zoomed in, then you will see it on the left. So I have zoomed out a little bit, so I see this on the right side. So here this background image will be uploaded over here. So we can click on this explore free images to see the free images that are available for free in Shopify, as our store is related to bags and shoes and leather kind of stuff. So we will search for leather over here, and we can choose any image from here, maybe this one or maybe any other that we want to use that is related to our brand. So we will have to find a good image that is related to our brand, and we can also go to Pexels.com or maybe Unsplash.com, and we have another one that is Pixabay.com. So we can use these three websites to find the images for our website, and here we can search like leather. Here we have some more images, and within Shopify we have some less, and we cannot apply filters. So it's better to use this Pexels website where we can apply filters. We can select size and orientation. So I think as the banner is like horizontal, then we can select this horizontal to see the related images of proper sized. So I think maybe this one work. So you can do your research and find related images, and you can download them, and we can close it. We can maybe download one or two more. So let's search for it. So maybe let's download this one, and here you have to follow some image optimization techniques as well. Otherwise, if you will upload lot of images on your website without optimizing, then your website will go very slow, and you will need to hire someone to optimize your website, or you will need to do speed optimization and image optimization on your own. So I recommend you to download this image if you are downloading like a bigger image for the banner, then you can choose maybe this medium size, and for the last image that we downloaded, this one, we can also choose I think medium one, because we don't need a very large image that will slow our website. So here now you can go to tiny jpg.com, and here we will upload the images to reduce its size as well. So let's upload these images. You can, when you will hover to the image, you will also see its dimension. You can see the size is already less, like 73 KB for this image. Because we have already downloaded the medium version, which is why the image is already optimized. but if its size is more than like 500 KB, then you can upload it to this tiny JPG website, and this will compress the image. Like if the image is like 1 MB, then it will reduce it to like 200-300 KBs. So here currently the image were already very less, so it just decrease 18% and 17%. So we can download these. And now let's go back to the store, and here we will have to upload the image. We can just click on this cross, and here we can select the image that we have just compressed. So let's upload this image. So this is just a development store, but if you're creating a real store that you want to launch, then you have to find proper images. So this is a development store, so I am just telling you how to do different stuff. And here you can see the image, and we can upload second image as well. So let's upload the second one. So maybe this one. Done. And here you can see this is how it will look like, side by side, two images. And if you want to upload two different images, then you can upload that. And if you want one big image over here, then you can just delete one. So we can just click on change, and we will click on this remove image button, and the image will be removed. And now let's scroll down, and here we can add image opacity. So if your image is like light, then the white text will not show on that properly, so you can decrease the image, increase the image opacity actually, so the text will be more visible. But our image is already very dark, so we don't need to add much opacity, so we can keep it 40% maybe. And here we can change the banner height. So here you can see the height seems a bit larger to me, so maybe we can just decrease it to medium size, and here you can see it is decreased. And we can also change the position of this text and the button to maybe middle center or maybe top center. So I think the bottom one looks better, so we can keep that, but you can change that if you want. And then we have desktop content alignment, so we can change the alignment as well, but I think the center one is best one. And we can change the color scheme. So here it is not changing the scheme because we have a background image, so that's why it is not showing properly. But here you can see little bit of effect over here because it is adding the background color, but we have the image. So I think we can keep it like the first one. And here you can see it also change the text and button color, so I think we can keep the default one. So this one was the default, so we can keep that. And image behavior we can set that, so let's add this ambient movement. And here you can see some effect on image. Fixed background position, when we will add, then we will scroll down, then the image will be fixed in its position. So image will be fixed in its position. And we have mobile content alignment as well. When we will click on this mobile version, then we will see the mobile version over here, and we can add some extra effects on mobile. So you can see if you want the image to show full, then you can show container on mobile. We will just check mark this option, and it will show the image separately. So let's click on that, and we will see the changes. So this fixed background position made this image a bit bad on mobile, so this image is not suitable for this type of animation, so we can just keep it none, so the image will show full and it will look good and better on the mobile version as well. And we can also change this text. We will just click on it, and here we can change the text. So let's see, so we can maybe say something like browse or latest shoes maybe, or something like that. So here below we have the button, so we can click on that. We can actually go to the desktop version, I think so. We have changed the page. We will go back to home page, and here we will click on this button, and here we can add this button link. So maybe we don't want to send this link to all products, we want to show all the collections, so we will select collection. So when you will select anything, then you will see some more option like to which product you want to send, and like to which collection you want to send. So I want to send to all collection. By the way, if you have not uploaded any product and you just want to upload some product and collections for some sample data, then you can follow my video that I have created earlier in the store, earlier in the Shopify course. So, and this was the video, generate sample data. So we generated some sample data just to have some products and collections, so we can play around with our store. So let's go back, and here we can change the text. We just click on the page changes, and so when we will click, and here we can click on this button, and we can change the text to maybe shop now, and we can have another button. So we can write its label first of all. So maybe we can say contact now, so users can send their queries as well. So we will go to pages, and we will choose contact. So here you can see one button is has outlined border, and the second one has the background, so that looks good. You can also remove the outline from the first one and add background color, and similarly you can change for the other button as well. But I think so the shop button should have a border and this one should have a background because it looks more better to me. So we have set up our buttons and we have set up our banner as well. So we will click on save, and we can go to our store and we will refresh. So here you can see our section. So that's it for the video, and that's how you can design your Shopify banner in Dawn theme. So thank you for watching this video. Like this video and leave a comment, so this will help YouTube recommend my content to more viewers. Thank you for helping me grow. See you next time, and don't forget to check out the course to learn complete Shopify. Thank you.